video aesthetic. Yes, so we are here at MSU Johnson Library Museum, and we can see here a lot of kabog. Buko. This is
both the Maguindanao, Balaan, and Tiboli, including most of the tribes in the country, share the strong tradition or at least of devil cheering.
It also, nasa sila mga nabira, hala, inalim ito mong plato. Di ba? Aminin mo, namin nga na plato. Look at it, guys.
Next time, i-preserve na po
Japanese lagi, itong Japanese lagi ni. And this one or the Maitong Jarlets of Metal Age, donated by anonymous collector, is proven this. Alam niyo ba, guys?
ang gumamit ng spoon na ito. Haris pa mo. Ayun. Panis spoon is kita mo. Itong politician god na ano na kayo.
Ano kasi mambugas eh?
Tiguan na kayo. Yes.
Politician si Enrile.
Si Enrile po. Kasabayan niya kung magkainan po si Moses.
Sobrang ingay niya, guys. And right here, we have, kasi ito, ganyan handcrafts.
Yeah.
So, wali. And this is the beneath. Oh, I touched it. Gosh. Oh my god. Ano ko siya ibutang? Hindi siya matindog. Ayun, kumayo. It's dito. Sorry, ano lang camera.
Ito yung gamit ni Lapu-Lapu.
Actually,
Fight po sila ni Marcelo.
ito yung pumugot sa ulo ng si Alan. Naku, may narasundan. Naman sa merkado. Nakakasaan niyo, uy, gawin siya nga rin, oh.
Yeah.
Malusot, gini siya mga, samurai.
Bigyan na sa moral.
Sige, ano. Nakakasiliyo ka rin. Pag ka rin magsaksak sa imo, pag ka rin magsaksak sa imo, ha. Mamatay siya sa katanos.
First here po, the Tiboli
Figurine.
tradition. Guys, kikita niyo po yan. Si Ani po.
Kasi,
Ayun, may dede.
kasi guys,
Ako naman
goodness, so exciting! And here we have our ornaments. This is from Tiboli Women's Necklace. There are 3 types of necklaces. The hekaf. Ano yung kadwa? Basta mo na siya. And this one is, hala, bungo. Saan saan ang bungo? Pero guys, bungo. Dugay na kay ko dito sa, pero kita ng bungo. Bungo.
What is that? A monkey?
Gani, the teeth, iro?
Monkey? It's a monkey.
Ay, sa side banda yung mata sa iro, no?
It's a monkey.
Monkey na.
Yeah, I think it's a monkey. We should speak in English because
Okay, yeah,
we are
correct.
in the museum. Yeah.
Hi guys! Come with us as we tour you inside our MSU Johnson Museum. The tour is starting now. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, finish. I hope you enjoy. Sure lang.
Okay, kasya to sa akin. Is it? Isn't it? Isn't it?
Ano man pagsukat?
Isn't it? Isn't it?
May large kayo na to.
No?
Napakasama na. Here naman na side na to at dito nilalagay yung mga nawawalang bagahe.
Ito po yung nawawalang bagahe ni Jose Rizal. Nung siya po ay nabubuhay.
Ay, oo, di ba gitapon niya ang ano? May story mo dito.
Hindi niyo po
Ano na ba siya ano? Nainan akong lolo. Nainan akong lolo. Ano nga wala? Oo.
Dapat di ko itong pagdiri
Correct. And this one is Lusum. We made that. Ay, English, sorry.
There's this one, and it's our traditional Philippine dress. Am I right? Am I wrong?
Ang kasal?
Don't touch that! Sorry, if you touch that, the ghost will come into your house and will ghostly you.
Ghost. Uy, nanigod among planta sa balay.
Diba? There's a ghost here.
Why?
If you open that,
Look at that. It's
it's
more.
open.
Oh no.
The ghosts are now roaming in here. Oh my god, it's so very scary.
Plancha. Nanigod among plancha. The old plancha. Di ka rin sa bulak.
What is this?
Ito sa bulak. Para di maano ang bulak.
It's not. The glass
Ah.
bottle.
Ay, buoys. Aram mo ng buoys. Karang kristal.
Yeah.
Kristal, di ba?
Oh yeah.
Saan nagahi? Glass?
I don't know.
Glass gani. The glass.
Is that a glass?
Glass gani, di ba? The glass buoys. Ubuya. Ay, ubuya. Tama. Nagas akong buya kaysa
How do
buoys.
they close this? Oh, here.
Uy.
It's opening.
And also here we have
Oh my god, si tatay!
kumukha kaya kayo. Diba? So here, ito na yung mga nadiri, the first settlers. Ito ang NLCA.
Yeah, the first settlers in Buayang.
So here are the first settlers
Ito po,
of Buayan district.
si Marco, si De Los Reyes,
Si Santiago.
Juno, si Song Joong.
You're wrong. And here are the NLSA. What's the NLSA? O si Mateo. Si Guillermo. Lalaki din Guillermo. Guillermo.
Si Paulino,
Hindi mo gusto nagapagit ang pangalan. Hindi ka mo gusto. Antonio. Nyo.
ang piling ako diri si Paulino. Organic.
Pwede si Juan na. Guillermo na.
Ay,
Ano yung NLSA?
bakit sila
Diba? Nagpangita ako
Bakit
sa
sila nag-settle dito? Why did they settle here?
because they are settlers.
Why? For what reason? Duh. Ano ba itong pangto?
And this one is the painting of mine. And here, moving on here, we have. Can I smile? We have here paintings of Filipinos, of course. Alam nga naman Indonesian. And we have here the old Filipino, Homo sapien. So okay, ito siya. I can explain everything. So this one is naliligo sa Yes. It's sako.
No,
Na may
it's
titi.
not.
Tutoy.
It is not. What is the... Can you interpret it?
Kasi di ba dito, nakatalikod siya, hindi natin nakikita yung harapan. Dito, pinakita.
Oh, no. No, I know now.
Okay, go.
Diba? Nakatalikod to. Kasi ayaw niya makita.
Kasi ganyan pala siya nakaharap.
Hindi. Ayaw niya kasi makita kung ano yung diba? Kasi kita niyo nakapaligod lahat.
Yes, nakatalikod sila sa stairs.
Nakahubad din ito.
Ano, nakahubad?
Mga hubadera.
Ano na lang gidala?
Hubadera ng... Oh, it's a baby. Like, it's a dad. It's
This one.
dead. It's a dead baby.
Oh, why its eyes open?
I think it's not dead. But this one with the white balloons and this one, the baby, it's a dead and they are carrying that.
Oh, why there's a feet here?
Because that's a dead.
Okay.
A dead person.
Okay.
My God. What is that?
Hala, this is so amazing. Charger. This is so amazing. This painting is so amazing.
Yeah,
It's made up of charger,
Yeah, airplane,
of takusanan sa gatas, di ba? And tansan.
a ball pen,
Isa ni mo?
saksakan,
Isa ni?
frame.
Ano ba? Oh, kani.
I think it's eyebrows.
Ay, dili, color pen.
No, I think it's
Tanawa good.
eyebrows.
Tanawa. Color pen, uy, oh. Ako na nasa una.
Oh yeah, it's a color
And
pen.
CDs. And
A
handcuff,
broken
di ba?
one. A broken one.
We don't touch.
Oh, sorry.
And
Sorry.
syringe. Bongga ko ah.
And pizza.
Pizza. It's so amazing, is it?
This is so freaking good, guys. Like, how can they come up with that kind of ideas, right? So they're so very amazing. And salute.
What's this one? Magbaral. It's a painting of Magbaral. Magbaral?
It's an awful face.
Ay, Magbarwa?
Magbanwa.
Ay, sorry.
17.
From J. Magbanwa 17. It's his painting.
He's only 17 years old. How about this?
Which, wow, this is so amazing. This one is,
Oh, this you can touch that, but you
sorry.
can touch this. You don't touch this, but you can touch this. This.
and here guys, we have speaker. Ay, kasalan eh.
It's not. It's
Kabalok magbulaan na o kanang sungka.
I don't know. How about that one?
Chargers?
How about that
Changers?
one? How about that one?
The hand?
Yeah, with a flower, something in a pot. Is it a pot or a tree that has a flower? I don't know.
Anong nga lang
How
natin
about
sa
that
ano?
one?
Oh, that's so
So
big.
big.
Dahil it's so big, hindi niya na
Okay.
inayos.
Okay, let's rate it.
Okay, correct.
Okay, let's start with this
Okay.
one.
This
This
one.
one.
This one?
Yeah.
This is from Al-Nazar Ali Sartri. Okay.
I rate it like, since pinibigyan ko siya, 9 over 10.
Ako po.
Yeah.
It's because,
Oh,
it's traditional, the dress.
Yeah.
Okay, next. The rooster. Rooster sa
Rooster.
The-
Why it has a suit? A suit. The rooster is wearing a suit, guys. Like, what is the behind of that? I don't know. But I give it a 8 over 10.
Uy, murag na siya, unsa nangipon or gold? Ang nasa yung baba.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that,
It's a
guys.
goat.
Look at this one. Siya sa yung ngipon.
Is it about
Uy,
corruption?
mais mangod na. Oh, ilang yun sa atong gold.
It's a mais. By Karel 2022.
Yes, correct.
Chevy
Pila mo?
Blade. I said 8 over 10.
Why?
Because I don't understand
Me
Why?
too. Me too, 5.
why it's wearing a suit
Sorry, Kareel, 5 lang.
and it's a chicken. Like, what the fuck is that?
Maybe if she'll gonna explain
Yeah, but I can't explain it. No, let's move
the
to
next
that.
one. The... I don't know camera ko.
It's like a paint of a woman.
Oh.
Wait, anong time na?
4-4.
Tara!
Tara na.
Ito na ba si
Okay, guys.
Let's see if nandun na po si Sir.
Yes, that's all for our museum tour. And we hope.
Because we enjoyed it.
Yes. Asa tayo gidi ay? Ay, mga ito kay Sir. Okay. So today, we will going to um, Sir JD's office to see you in part 2. Bye-bye!